Hey Fatima, just wanted to step through this real quick. So I'm in Transaction Manager. You go into the inbox here, drop down. You go to sell through data. Gabe is organizing this with the product activity data uh, sheets here. So the most recent week is going to be this June 17th. They usually come in little batches, and the one with the cover grip information on it is this first one usually. So if I open this here, go to the items. I mean, I'm sure you've done this. It's odd. The one without the UPC is cover grip. So drop down, and then you've got your weekly sales there, 3177. Um, so that's your cover grip item. If you ever have a question, you can always Google one of these UPCs, like this 1000. This oh, that's not working, is it? Um, but you can always throw it in Google here and search it, and even with the Home Depot numbers, it'll pull it up. So that's your cover grip. Let's see here. Anyway, so that's where you'll get those. We can close this. We go back to the week previous. So the 17th, then on the 10th, we got these. Should be the first one that came in again. Um, Come in here at 3129. So there, if you can go back and get the data for the last several weeks, a couple months that we don't have in there and get it updated, that'd be awesome. And then if there are any of the other items that you can use this information for that Reed has asked us to pull, that'd be great. So that should be it right here in the sell through data. I think it's got the info for quite a ways back here. So anyway, if you can repopulate that past data, that'd be awesome. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.